A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a capalat. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're with a new artist, our next new artist again. Today, we're with Golden Rama. Yeah, Golden Rama with bank robbery. So, I like this type of storytelling. So, once I see bank robbery, I'm like, yo, this look like it. I got excited. So, it have to have a story behind it. So, we're going to jump in that one and see where Golden Rama say. But one little thing I want to do for me, guys. First, I ask them to do this. So, this video, when I react to it, doesn't have a comment section on it. See me? It doesn't have a comment section on it because the person who uploaded the video didn't manage to do the right thing and put the comment section open. So, what I want to do, I'm going to use my comment section and tell the artist what to think. Alright? Use my comment section and tell the artist what to think. Also, I'm going to pin this one in the comment section. This one here, I'm going to pin it in the comment section. See me? I'm going to pin the producer information in the description. So go over there, go check it out. And tell them say a JAMAICA'S game I sending. But yeah, use my comment section as this video. You understand? Yeah, and let them know what you think. Big up Bomb Shop and Mario Records. Big up on yourself. I'm here, big up yourself as well, my G. I'm here Records, big up yourself. Alright, so I could jump in on one, man. Let's go, man. Bank robbery, let's go.
Yo, we're ready, God.
Yo, you know a long time we are planning for this.
Yo, stop your bum buckle out and
Ram for the blood.
Not nice.
When the time coming up.
We're ready.
Because yo,
don't look a fool, man.
is
Shut
that
him up.
Yo, Daddy.
our blood clot never.
Yo, let's check the time there.
You cover the metric.
We're ready.
Coverage.
Out of the van, move, set trap, let's chat, left that, take that, duct tape,
Check black.
7-man mission in a 10 flat, set clock, test clock,
Get back.
step to the entrance, press lock, then stop.
Anything gonna miss a move up.
From the boots and the mega get shot, all of them is surprised. Some things I'm nice.
Yo, you know a
You
long
like the
time
storytelling type of thing? It's like a movie.
Clad brother when the time coming up.
Picture this.
Because yo,
Don't look a
Picture
fool,
this.
man.
is that now
Yo, Daddy.
our blood clot never.
Yo, let's check the time there.
Golden Rama,
Cover the
ready.
metric. Coverage.
Out of the van, move, set trap, let's chat, left that, take that, duct tape,
Check black.
7-man mission in a 10 flat, set clock, test clock,
Get back.
step to the entrance, press lock, then stop.
Anything gonna miss a move up.
From the boots and the mega get shot, all of them is surprised. Some things I'm nice. Now I'm in a tech top.
The aim is to
Run and go and get it, but
then some drop.
Hold on, no man. The man them on a mission to get some money at the end of that. Mission in a brother, mission.
duct tape,
Check black.
7-man mission in a 10 flat, set
7-man mission in a 10 flat. 7-man mission in a 10
clock, test clock,
Get back.
step to the entrance, press lock, then stop.
Anything gonna miss a move up.
From the boots and the mega get shot, all of them is surprised. Some things I'm nice. Now I'm in a tech top.
The aim is to
Run and go and get it, but
then some drop.
broad day robbery, middle day robbery.
Middle day robbery.
Coverage. Bank robbery, bank robbery,
Bank robbery.
Bank robbery. Bank robbery.
Bank
What?
robbery.
bank robbery, bank robbery,
Bank robbery.
bank robbery.
What on, man?
Hello, how may I help you today?
Yo, dog, she pretty. Home for set to her.
Don't get caught up in a youth. Do not get caught up. Remember where you're there for. Don't get caught up by fat catches, me G. Remember where you're there for. Him, ho, hen, he, why?
How may I help you today?
Yo, dog, she pretty. Home for set to her.
I will bring that blood clot, eat it up on the mission. Yo,
Gun bag. Pussy, we send the one that we got prison. How you get caught up with fat catches, but where if you said to her? You have to say, hey girl, give me the money. No. Hey girl, give me the blood clot money. No, it's a be a gunshot. Nobody say, hey girl, bring the pussy, come and fuck it out. No, nobody say that, G. That never get picked. Remember, see a money I mission, MOB, nigga, money over bitches, and what you do?
Pretty. Home for set to her.
What you
I
do?
will bring that blood clot, eat it up on the mission. Yo, move out of the way, hey girl, stick up. Phone starting and miss a camera I pick up.
There, so if there. There, so it there. Hey girl, move out of the way. Hey girl, stick up, hey. Don't fuck up in a slam on over our head. Don't fuck up in no. Nobody press the alarm there no. Money. MONEY. That's how we are talking about.
Mission. Yo, move out of the way, hey girl, stick up. Phone starting and miss a camera I pick up.
Oh my God, it's the key.
Count it
I
up.
the money truck that
Yo,
goes
me will
rich.
hold it up.
All up,
Hold up your bumbo clock, batty boy. Hey, boy.
My God is the key.
Count it out. The money truck that goes rich. Hold up on your lick your head. For me open up that you're dead with the infrared. We have to focus on the...
You know, so you can't hold up the money truck like that. From you open up that, you're dead because a man and round this, sit down with a shot to your pint for the door. Anything come in, the first man push a foot. Landmine tear off in foot left 2 piece of 29 crepe.
Hold up on your lick your head. For me open up that you're dead with the infrared. We have to focus on the bread and look out for the feds. Remember time I got, so do not bother fuck out for me meds. Broad day robbery, middle day robbery.
Yeah. Members said I want to pin in the comment section, but members have used my comment section and tell them what you think about this one, man.
Broad day robbery, middle day robbery.
We love that type of track, you dog. Next verse, must I get the next verse? Ready?
Bank robbery, bank robbery, bank
What?
robbery, bank robbery, bank robbery.
What we have to do today?
Bank robbery, bank robbery,
We ready?
bank robbery.
Ready?
Almost stencil it, 4 in, 3 out. 2 for the security while we have 1 where you peep out.
Blood clot, the man a scope everything in a dog. Alright, look. 4 in, 3 out. The man a them pencil out everything down to the T. Security look, hey boy, why? What this? Move from there.
Almost stencil it, 4 in, 3 out. 2 for the security while we have 1 where you peep out. You know the rest on the mission is to
Clean out.
I 4 but go full and be ready for
Leave out. But here.
comes the one to sell a team out.
Yo, when my money there?
Yo, ease out. Post him in the ear on the phone, yeah, squeeze out.
Tell them.
Left him on the scene for blade out. Broad day robbery, middle day robbery. Yo, whenever they trust them, pussy. Broad day robbery, middle day.
Hold on, them dashing them.
Squeeze out.
Tell them.
Yo, when my money there?
Yo, ease out. Post him in the ear on the phone, yeah, squeeze out.
Tell them.
Left him on the scene for blade out. Broad day robbery, middle day robbery. Yo, whenever they trust them, pussy there.
Them dashing down in the bank.
Yo, time up.
Coverage. Bank robbery, bank robbery,
Bank robbery.
bank robbery, bank
Yeah, man,
robbery.
they can't carry them for robbery, man. Left them a road, man, like spear tire.
Bank robbery,
Yo, dog, all of we can't escape in a dog.
Yo, lock off pussy.
Man up on the kind of family.
And him never da drink. One turn in himself.
Come like nothing.
You know my plan this to perfection. Me know you plan it with a inside link.
Yo, Rama, yeah, my God.
Walk this side, gentlemen.
Yo, them bag heavy, no?
Yo! 10 to turbo them and them depending now. Yo, you know, say once it finished, so you know what go on, right? Once them finish it, so you know, say you just expect a part 2. This a part 1, Golden Rama, bank robbery. Me like it. What do you think about it though? Me like storytelling. This show how creative an artist is, how talented an artist is, bro. Cause any artist can jump on rhythm and say any fucking thing. But when I put a story together, and you can picture everything what them a say. Come on, bro. You have to give artists them props for that. You have to give artists them props. Amari Records, big up yourself. Amari Records, big up yourself. Amari, big up yourself. No, sorry, Amir Records, big up yourself. What can I get your name wrong, G? Like I said, this one I got pinned in the comment section, the song itself. But you cannot comment on it. So tell them what you want to think about it in my comment section. Then go in the description and follow them on the social media platform them where I got pin. So this one is an art streaming music platform. You can go listen to it. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Me like it. Honestly, me like it. Let me know what you guys think about it though. Honestly, I'll be in the comment section. Alright? I'll catch you guys down there, man. Peace. Bank robbery. Blood clot.
Yo, stop your bum buckler on the
Stop the noise.
Blood clot.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.